So, got my pee-pee smacked this morning on AMD. Went over, looked at things, set my lines, and all these lines here are my indicators and what I am looking as potential support or resistance spots. So this morning, I was just playing the opening. Yesterday worked very well between my lines on AMD. So I gave it another chance today and got hit for it. So I was just trading the line here. Took some calls here, and closed them here once we hit this next target line. And that was a 21% loss. Made a chunk of it back here later in the morning when I took some calls here off of this line, came down, put in a higher low, and once we came back, tested this line, I took some calls with this being my risk, and actually top ticked this little move right here and got 15% out of it. IWM, I took a couple trades on as well. So I took some puts here. These were, I forget which ones they were, 170s probably. Anyway, took it down from here to here. Bottom ticked that little candle. And then I took another one here on the 2-minute chart. I took calls here, and I took 177s just to lower my risk on it after that AMD PP slapping. And they went about 3 or 4 cents up on the contract right here, and got out for about 3 or 4 cents below my entry. So took a small loss here. Things just didn't look like it was holding. We're back below the VWAP, so cut it. This right here this morning, I hesitated. I was looking to get calls here on it, and I was just in a little bit of hesitation mode after dealing with that AMD loss I took right at open. But it's okay, things happen. Came back and made some decent afternoon trades. Still down on the day, but got a portion of it back. And BMEA, so I traded this one as it came. Let's get back into the 2-minute. So I hit this one right after we hit this pop right here. So we broke the EMAs and the VWAP, pulled back over, and I took it on this one, and I ran it up to my target line here. That was it. Real quick move, which, when I was trading it here, it was already up about 48-50%. Not sure how much of a squeeze it wanted to go. And should have kind of just kept it on radar all day instead of looking at it here and today, because this anchored VWAP, it held that pretty good here. Broke it, came back over, remounted. This would have been a solid entry area on it right here. And then the last one, no, I didn't trade BKTX. Wanted to, just didn't. Traded OSCR. I took a small stab at its VWAP. Got in it and I set my stop loss back at the VWAP. So that one was a break-even trade. Give it a chance to bounce off of it, start to run up. It did not, and it decided to sell off here into the afternoon. So what I'm watching tomorrow is going to be VKTX. It's having a nice strong close into the day here. When we continuing to watch BMEA with its strong close into the end of the day. And there's a couple of them over here. I kind of like the way Loop is setting up. We'll just look at that one real quick. So nice second day continuation upward here. And then along with PYXS, and it is chasing a little bit of news, but we had that pop up yesterday. It held. Now it's pushing up even stronger today, consolidating through most of the day, which is promising. Hopefully it just kind of does this move right here in the afternoon after market closes instead of skyrocketing. So those are the 4 lower price stuff I'm looking at tomorrow. And then I'll just play my normal stuff here and adjust these screens as needed in the morning. But anyway, that's all we got today. Thanks, guys.